A couple weeks ago, I was making a video on my RC airplane, and this was actually what I made. And so I just want to show the update of what I've actually made from this airplane. As you can see right here, there's no wings on this airplane, but I've actually made a new wings. So that's what I'll be showing you all, and it's right there. So that's the wing I made from cardboard for my airplane. You can see it's quite large enough to generate lift for the airplane. Look at so all I'm gonna do, it has here the ailerons. You can see the ailerons. It's all piled up on the wings. I just so this is the airplane. So I'll just show you what it looks like. I actually need few rubber bands to bend the wings to the airplane so that it looks appropriate. So yeah, it looks like this. So this is the outcome of my airplane that I've been making for the past weeks. And let me just quickly run a few tests on the airplane. Just after open the wings. Right here, under here, and take this wire, this red wire, and fix it inside here. Yeah. So then cover it back. Oh, you can actually see how stabilized it is, and so that's the rudder, that's the elevator, and what I want to quickly do is connect the ailerons to the wings. That is push here upside down. This is my aileron wire for my transmitter, for my receiver. I'm gonna do is connect these two together. That is so that it works. Sorry for that. This is a two. So that's it. So that's, it should be looking like this. The wings doesn't really look appropriate. I have to adjust that. Okay. So that's my elevator. That's my rudder. That's my aileron. Wow, it's gonna be nice. That's the way they work. And that's my. So I just drag it back and to see how it actually works. That's how it works. And